welcome to Man Kitchen Recipes. I am Kevin, and yesterday I received from Amazon my Blackstone omelet making kit. And the omelet making kit comes with these new egg rings that are black and gray. And it comes with 3 of each, the round and the square. So I have the orange ones. There's 4 of each of those. Those will be most likely going to give those to my nephew, as he has a Blackstone as well. So, and then the other part of this kit is an omelet ring. Yeah. See there? That's an omelet ring. I believe it's 8 inches. So today, guess what we're making? You're right. We're gonna make some omelets with this new omelet ring. We'll see how well it works out. And this omelet ring does not have the silicone on the bottom. The bottom, it's just steel or metal. So what I think I'm gonna do is when I put it, or before I start the omelets, I'm gonna put this down on the Blackstone to let it heat up. We'll spray some cooking spray in there while it's on the griddle. And I think once this heats up, that when I add the eggs will probably, in theory, start cooking and won't run out underneath. I mean, they may not anyway, but that's what I'm gonna try. Anyway, so the new omelet kit from Blackstone, let's give this a try. I'm gonna get the Blackstone heated up and we're gonna get going.
I don't want crunchy crookneck, so get some SPG on there, just, you know, move it around, let it cook a little bit. Once the sausage is done, we're gonna get the sausage off, and the yellow crookneck is about done, so we're gonna take that off as well.
I'm gonna go ahead and put my omelet ring on here and let it heat up. And I'm also going to spray it with some butter spray, non-stick butter spray, just so our omelets don't stick. Okay. And then of course we're using some fresh eggs, farm fresh. 2 of them look like they were duck eggs, so each omelet will have 1 duck egg in it. They were pretty huge, so. All right, we'll let that warm up and then we'll add the egg and get this going. Let's get our egg in there. Getting a little bit of seepage right here, but that's okay. Get some green onion in there. We'll put a little bit of SPG. I'm gonna get some bacon, sausage, get our yellow squash all in there. Gonna get lots of that. This is gonna be a full omelet. Put some tomatoes in there. Guess what else we're gonna put in here? It is New Mexico. Green chili. You could put what you want in your omelet. We're gonna do some green chili in this one.
And of course, I'm gonna add some cheese. I like cheese in my omelet. So I'm gonna add a little bit here and a little bit there. I like lots of cheese. A little bit more. Okay, just like that. Now we're gonna get this egg ring off of here, or omelet ring, my bad. Set it to the side, and I'm gonna get my big spatula and I'm gonna get this thing flipped and turned over Just like that. Oh, I tore a hole with my spatula, but that's all right. That one is full. Look at that.
Okay, so I would have to say the omelet kit, the omelet ring, is a success. Awesome. Look at that. It's huge, it's loaded, but hey, it's Sunday brunch. It's about 100 degrees out here, so right now I'm appreciating this little bit of breeze that we do have. It's not windy, but a little breezy. So let me just take a bite of this. It's got just about everything in it. Mmm. Oh my goodness, that is so good. That yellow crookneck squash in there out of the garden, can't beat that. Onions out of the garden. Again, Thanks for watching. Get you an omelet kit, make you some big, wonderful omelets. Fill them with as much stuff as you want, or just a regular, easy, light omelet if you want. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, share, ring the bell, you know the drill. I'll see you guys on the next video.